PBB pa lang nakita naman ng mga tao na yung spark ng dalawa. Pero siguro if you put it sa isang formula, yung contrasting personalities nila.
In terms of potential, I think obviously that's why they have this launching project is because they would be the next big thing in ABS.
Super commendable talaga, as in, and I'm so excited for everyone to see what they have to offer talaga. Like,
sobrang proud ako sa dalawang to. It's great working with them.
Iba, pag napanood nyo yung Ghosting, yun sinasabi ko sa amin, iba may future tong dalawa. Grabe, ang gagaling nila umate.
Itong dalawa, iba talaga yung connection nila on and off cam. Kasi parang hindi ba nag-a-action si Direk? Nagtinginan kami ni Vibory. Game na ba? Kasi ang sweet na nila ang dalawa. Parang ginagawa na nila yung scene tapos yung connection nila.